Hi there. Have you ever been confused about the use of has been, have been, and had been? If yes, don't worry, you are not alone. Let's break it down once for all in a super simple way. First, let's talk about has been and have been. So, both of these phrases are used to talk about the events that started in the past and still continue in the present moment. We use has been with the subject he, she, or it, and we use have been with the subject I, we, you, or they. For example, she has been dancing since morning. Or I can say, I have been studying for the last 2 hours. Okay, so both of these events started in the past and still continue in the present moment. Now let's talk about had been. Well, this phrase is used to talk about the sequence of events that occurred in the past. So for the event which occurred earlier, we use had been, and for the event which occurred later, we use simple past. For example, I have been studying for 2 hours when Ria came to my house. So I started studying first. So we used had been with the study, and Ria came later. So we used simple past. Okay, clear? I hope now the use of has been, have been, and had been is clear to you. With the practice, you will get mastery. So keep practicing. Thank you.